Preparation for Jala Neti, you will need a neti pot, natural fine salt, and 250 ml of warm water. This water should be pure. The water is as warm as your body temperature, and you can even drink it very comfortably. Prepare half a teaspoon of natural fine salt and add it into the 250 ml of warm water. Stir it well until it melts. Add in salt water in the neti pot until full. Hold the neti pot, grab it with your palm and your four fingers. Your thumb cover the top of the yellow hole so that the water doesn't come up from the spout when you turn it. When you release the water from the spout, let go of the thumb, tilt the neti pot, the water will come out. How to set up your position: have your feet apart and carefully push your hip back. Rest your forearm onto your thighs. So remain your thumb closing the top of the hole. Then carefully place this spout into your left nostril until it's fully covered. When you really release your thumb, the water will actually come up from your right nostril. So before you actually release it, make sure you open your mouth. So you inhale, exhale through your mouth. Okay, so I'm going to open my mouth now. Let go of my thumb. Tilt the head to one side so that the water can come up from the bottom nostril. Gradually tilt the pot until the water finishes from the neti pot. Once you finish, you need to clear up the water from the nostril. So do 3 blows from your nose like this. After that, you need to clear up your nostril even more. So 3 rounds. So the first one, you can use your hands to cover your nose and do very forceful exhalation. And sideway. Other side. And the last one, and over. Relax your neck. Also 10 times. That should help to clear up the excess water from your nostrils. Repeat the same steps for the other side.